we have other keys to navigate to. If I press home key from my keyboard, it will go to the beginning of the line, and press end key, it will go to the end of the line. Of course, if I hold on the shift key from end of the line and press home, it will select the whole line. Let's try once more here. Press home this time. We are at the beginning of this line. Hold on the shift and press end. We selected the whole line. For navigation also, we have page down and page up. If I press page down, it will go bottom of this page. Page down, page down, page down. If I hold on the shift key, it will select the whole navigation from the beginning to the end of this section. The reason it is not selected the whole paragraph, it's because of several reasons, which I will mention in the future. But note that the home and end keys also combining with control. End key will go to the end of the line. But if I press control or command end, it will go to the end of whole documents. You see, it is end. Instead of navigating here, which in the large document it is taking too much time, you could simply press Control or Command Home. So Control or Command End going very end of your document. Control or Command Home is going very beginning of your document. And of course, again, you could combine with Shift. Shift Control End. From the beginning, selected the whole document. I think that's enough for now. In the future, I will mention more tips, but I'm trying to avoid getting so boring or confusing. Yet note that this series, it is intermediate to advanced, so I will cover many tips occurred to my mind.